Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's December, so I'm going to start off this a month by having, like a backdrop that's like red and glittery and Christmassy. It still has to be glitter because you guys know I'm extra as fuck and I love that shit. So it has to be glitter. Okay, but I also thought I would kick it off with like a little holiday look, a little red lip. That way, you can just slay all day in your red lip. And this one, it feels really comfortable. It feels like kind of like I have powder on my lips. And this is a new one. I've never used this brand before. It's from Real Her, and it's her shade I Am Adaptable. And today for the eyes, I used the Desert Oasis BH Cosmetics palette and added a little bit of glitter to the lids, but I kept it mostly neutral. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Wait, hold on, I already said that. Anyways, about the makeup. This is the NYX Corrective Concealer in medium, and I actually don't show it very often in my videos, but I am always wearing this. Sometimes I even wear it alone. It's just that good. And I have actually had this Desert Oasis BH Cosmetics palette for quite some time, and I just have been playing around in the other palettes that I have. But back to the look at hand. Okay, this is the shade Canyon. And Canyon's actually a bronzer because this palette comes with 2 bronzers, 5 highlights, and 6, 8, okay, 12 eyeshadows. So this is actually a really good palette for traveling. Me and Melissa just haven't been on that many trips recently, but I actually took this on the trip and I used it on my makeup Monday, and I haven't put it down since. And this is the shade Terrain. I took Canyon in my crease, in my outer corner, and I'm putting Terrain. It's a super pretty, like champagne gold, and putting this all over the lid. And the next shade that I'm going in with is called Nightscape, and Nightscape is a really deep brown. It's more of a neutral brown. It's not really warm or anything like that. And I'm just like smudging it on my lash line, on my upper and outer third of my lash line, just to make my lashes look, a little bit thicker than they actually are. And it gives you that cute almond shape, And I'm using the shade Moonscape, and it's like a bright yellow kind of gold. That's what it's called. And just slapping that on my inner corner. Slapping. And I actually got this Miss Metal shock glitter in the shade Gizmo. I got it from the flea market. So if you're in the Oklahoma City area, you can go to Old Paris Flea Market. I believe this was like $2 or something like that. It was very inexpensive, but you can see like it's so glittery. They're very easy to work with. They kind of dry a little bit quick, but they blend out with your finger good. They blend in, like you can blend in shadows on top of it really well, because it does dry so quickly. So strengthening back up the shade Canyon was really easy. So like definitely don't be afraid like it's gonna get muddy or it'll be wet still, because I mean, oh my goodness, I just am in love with these little shock shadows. And I have like all the shades that I would actually wear. I think I got one of every single shade that they have. But we're gonna keep the eyes pretty neutral, and just curling my lashes like always. And I put on camera one, but I always put 2 coats of mascara, so just keep that in mind for yourself if you're trying to achieve the exact look that I have. And of course normally I don't put fake lashes unless the occasion calls for it, you know. And this is my Neutrogena Protectant Tint. Still loving this foundation. It's not really a foundation, it's more of like a BB cream or like a CC cream or whatever, but I love it. And oh my god, right here, y'all. Okay, first of all, I don't know what was up with me, but I must have been going through something, because I put on 2 separate kinds of concealer and I put on a lot of it. Okay, and that's just not me. I normally try to do the least amount of face makeup as possible to where it looks like more skin-like. I don't know what was wrong with me. Okay. I just did the most with this concealer, but it looks really good. It like photographed really good, and it didn't look super cakey in person, but it's just a lot more than I'm used to and than what I like. And then this is the e.l.f. setting powder, and it's like, I think it's their HD one. It's in a larger sifty kind of thing. It comes with a poof or whatever, and it's the tan one, not the translucent one. And I have really been loving this bronzer, the Duo from Pacifica. I've never really tried any of their stuff before, but I really need to look into it, really. And I can't remember the name of the banana powder I used, honestly, because I just used whatever kind of banana powder. And I believe that one came from my Ipsy bag. That's what it is, my Ipsy bag. But just any, banana powder will do. They're all basically the same, really. Powder is powder. Which I had powder all over my damn shirt. I put on the cute little shirt, right, to try and match my background, and I literally went absolutely nowhere. I went upstairs. That's it. That's where I went to. And I need a new like blush palette. And let me tell you something. These blushes, you guys have to be careful with these blushes, because e.l.f. knew what they were doing with these damn blushes. They're very, very pigmented. And I've been loving this brush. I got it from the AOA store in Dallas, and it was like very helpful. It does the same thing my dual-ended Sonia Kashuk brush did, and it probably was like a third of the cost, honestly. And I got this brush. It's another little highlighting brush. It's a Moda Pro brush. But I got it also in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I like it, but it's like kind of flattened. It's small, but it's kind of flattened. It's weird. And I'm just anal retentive about this. You can skip this step if you really need to. And for the lips, I decided to do, like a liquid lipstick, and you can't have no crusties, right? Because liquid lipstick tells all your secrets if your shit is crusty. So I put that on there, scrubbed around really good, and then wiped it off with a makeup wipe. And then I did not think I was gonna like this lipstick so much. Like, I need to go buy more shades of Real Her and like use them, because the consistency that it was on my lips, I love. Most things that come into my lap, honey, are not like this, because I shop drugstore shit. So drugstore stuff isn't normally this good of quality, but you know, everything comes in the Ipsy Glam bag. They be getting you to fall in love with their damn products, and then shit's high as hell in real life. But anyways, let me quit yelling. I'm just in here by myself. So I didn't have like a bright red lip liner, so you don't see me using one. I don't know where it might have went, but I feel like I had one somewhere. I had to have. I thought I'm so damn cute. And this is the concealer I used beforehand. And I'm just like cleaning up my mistakes, and I did it mostly in real time so that you guys can see, like, I messed up here and here. Just got like, or if your line is not perfect, or if you need to overdraw a little bit, it just makes the lines look more crisp. You can do it all the way around, but I just really put it in the spots where I messed up. At the top, it's actually like that because of highlight. But just like put it in there and then feather it away, because you can see how it was kind of harsh, and then now it won't be by the end of it.
That was my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and hopefully I'll see you guys on Facebook Live Monday, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'll see y'all next Thursday also. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos with all your friends. That way everybody can be in the know and just be slaying for the holidays. Okay? Thanks. Bye.